All. Welcome to our class. In this class, let us discuss areas of combinations of plane figures. So let us discuss some questions. First question is find the area of the shaded region. So this is the shaded region. There is a circle. This is the shaded region in the given figure. If PQ is equal to 24 centimeter, PQ, this is Q, this is P, PQ is equal to 24 centimeter. PQ is equal to 24 centimeter and PR is equal to 7 centimeter. Let us take this as R. PR is equal to 7 centimeter. PR is equal to 7 centimeter. O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. We have to find the area of the shaded region. So this is the diameter. O is the center. So these two are semicircles. So we have to find area of this shaded region. So look at this portion. This diameter divides the circle into two parts to semicircles. Now let us focus on this semicircle. So we have to find the area of this shaded region. So we have to find the area of the shaded region. So how we can find the area of the shaded region? So this is angle. This is P and Q. This is a small portion. Circle. So P and R, look at points P and R. So we have to find the area of the shaded region. So we know this angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. Reason is that angle QPR is equal to 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. That is angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle. So angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. So angle QPR is equal to 90 degree. So we can find this Q1. This is a right triangle. This is 24 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter. So we can find the length Q1. So we know QR square is equal to base square plus height square. This is the 90 degree. So this is the hypotenuse. So 24 square plus 7 square, which is equal to 576 plus 49, that is 625. Therefore QR is equal to root of 625, which is equal to 25. QR is equal to 25 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of the shaded region. So look at this triangle and this is the semicircle. So the shaded region means area of this circle minus area of this triangle. Then we will get area of this semicircle minus, when we subtract this area of this triangle, then we will get the area of the shaded region. So area of shaded portion. A is equal to shaded portion. Area of shaded portion is equal to area of semicircle. Area of semicircle minus area of triangle. So we know area of circle is pi r square. So area of semicircle is half of that. That is half pi r square is the area of semicircle minus area of triangle. This is the right triangle with the height 24 centimeter and base 7 centimeter. That is half BH. Half into 7 into H. H is 24. So half pi r square minus half into 7 into 24. That is half into pi is 22 by 7 into radius. Radius of the circle. So we have this length is 25, that is diameter. Therefore radius is equal to, we got diameter D is equal to 25. Radius is equal to 25 by 2. So half into 22 by 7 into 25 by 2 into 25 by 2. That is the radius. We got using Pythagoras theorem. We found QR. So that we got radius. So radius is equal to 25 by 2. Therefore half into 22 by 7 into 25 by 2 whole square. That is 25 by 2 into 25 by 2 minus half into 7 into 10. So when we do the calculations, we will get half into this 22 by 7 into 25 by 20 by minus 25 by 2. We will get the answer is, and simplifying we will get, that is 4523 by 28. You can do the calculations, multiplication and division. Some common things we can cut. Then we will get 4523 by 28, which is equal to 161.54 centimeters square. That is the area of this shaded region. So don't look at this portion. Let us consider the triangle only. So half triangle. So area of the shaded region is equal to area of semicircle minus area of the triangle. Find the area of the shaded region. This is the shaded region in the given figure. If radii of two concentric circles with the center O are 7 cm and 14 cm respectively. So radius, first radius is 7 cm. Radius of the small circle 7 cm. Radius of the bigger circle, that is 14 cm. Then angle AOC is, for this angle is 40 degree. Angle AOC is equal to 40 degree. We have to find the area of the shaded region. So first let us look at this portion. This is the, look at the circle and this is the center. So these are the two radius, and this is a sector. This is a sector. So we have to find the area of this sector, then subtract the area of this small sector. Here also a triangle circle, then two radius, then this is also a sector. This is a small sector, this is a large sector. So when we find the area of the full sector, area of the big circles, then we will get the full area minus this portion, then we will get the remaining portion. So let us find the area of the sector. So then area of the sector AOC, area of a sector AOC, which is equal to, we know radius is 14 centimeter. So our formula is pi r square theta by 360 degree. Area of sector AOC, pi r square theta by 360 degree, that is pi is equal to 22 by 7 into radius 14 into 14 into 40 by 360 degree. 40 by 360 degree. So then we will get, we can cut 7 and 14, then 2, then 40 and 0 and 0, then 9 and 36. Sorry, 4 and 36, 9. So when we do the calculations, we will get 616 by 9. That is, the total area is 616 by 9. Now let us area of small sector BOD. Area of sector BOD. Area of sector BOD means area is equal to area of sector BOD, small sector, that is pi r square theta by 360 degree. So which is equal to pi r square theta by 360 degree, 22 by 7 into radius is 7. That is 7 into 7. Theta is 40 by 360 degree. So when we calculate this, we will get 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into 40 by 360 degree. 7 7 we can cut. 40 and 360. This is 9. This is 1. Then we will get answer is 154 by 9 centimeters square. 154 by 9 centimeters square. So the area of the shaded region, area of the shaded region is 616 by 9 full area minus this area, that is 154 by 9 centimeters square. 616 minus by 9 minus 154 by 9 centimeters square. So that is it is equal to 462 by 9 is equal to 462 by 9 is equal to 154 by 3 centimeter square. 154 by 3 centimeter square is the area of the shaded portion. Next question. Find the area of the shaded region in the given figure if ABCD is a square of side 14 cm and APD and BPC are semicircles. So we have a square, two semicircles. So the ABCD is a square. So side of the square which is equal to 14 centimeter. Side of the square is 14 centimeter. So this side divides two circles. So each of equal length. So the radius of the semicircle. Radius of the semicircle is equal to radius of the semicircle which is equal to radius of the semicircle is equal to half into side of the square. Half into side of the square. Half into side of the square. That is half into 40. That is 7 centimeter is the radius. Radius of the semicircle is equal to 7 centimeter. So we have radius of semicircle is 7 centimeter. We have to find the area of the shaded region. So we have area of the square. Area of the square, that is side into side. That is area of the square, side into side. Side into side. That is 14 into 14, 196 centimeter square is the area of the square. From this area we can subtract. So we can area of this square is 196 centimeter square. So we have two semicircles. So area of the semicircle. Area of the semicircle is half pi r square. So half pi r square is the area of the semicircle. Here two semicircles. So half pi r square plus half pi r square, that is pi r square. Or area of one semicircle is half pi r square. So let us find the area of semicircle. Area of semicircle. That is half pi r square. That is half into pi. Pi is equal to 22 by 7 into radius is 7 square. So let us cut this 7 and 1 7, this 2 1, this 11, that is equal to 11. So we have 11 into 7, 77. So area of semicircle is equal to 77. Here two semicircle, that is 77 plus 77, 154. So area of two semicircle area of two semicircle which is equal to 2 into 77 is equal to 154. So we have the full area. Area of the square is 196. Area of two semicircles 154 centimeter square. Then we have the shaded region means area of shaded region is equal to 196 minus 154. 196 minus 154 is equal to 42 centimeter square. 42. So 42 centimeter square is the area of this shaded region. Next question. In figure, ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. 14 centimeter. The side is 14 centimeter. Side 14 square with the side 14 centimeter. With the centers A, B, C and D, 4 circles are drawn. With the centers A, B, C, D, vertex of the square, that using that is the center. Here circles are forming, 4 circles are forming, such that each circle touches externally 2 of the remaining circles. So this circle touches this circle and this circle. This circle touches this circle and this circle. This circle touches this and this. So each circle touches externally 2 of the remaining circles. We have to find the area of the shaded portion. We have to find the area of the shaded portion. So we have, this is the side of the square. So this is the radius of the circle. This is the radius of the circle. So all circles are equal measures. So total length is 14. So radius is equal to 7 centimeter. Total 14. Therefore radius of the circle is equal to 7 centimeter. We have to find this portion. Look at here. We have the area of the square using the side of square is equal to 14 centimeter. So using this we can find the area of that square. So area of this full portion. From this we have to subtract this portion, this portion, this portion and this portion. This portion means this is a sector. This is a sector. This is also a sector. This is a sector. So 4 equal sectors are there. We have to find the area of 4 equal sectors. Then subtract the area of 4 equal sectors from area of this square. We will get the area of the shaded region. So first we have to find the area of the square. Area of the square is equal to 14 inside and side. 14 into 14, 196 centimeter square. 196 centimeter square. Now we have to find the area of this equal sectors. Look at here. This is a sector. We know the angle in a square is 90 degree. All angles are 90 degree. So the central angle is 90 degree. 4 equal sectors are there. So area, total area of 4 sectors. Total area of 4 sectors, which is equal to 4 sectors are there. Therefore 4 into pi r square theta by 360. Pi r square theta by 360. Therefore it is equal to 4 into pi r square theta. Pi is 22 by 7. 22 by 7. Radius is 7. That is pi r square. 7 into 7 into 90 by angle is 90. 360. So we can cut this 7 and 7. This 90 and this 360. That is 4. Again cut this 4 and 4. Then we will get 22 into 7. That is 154 centimeter square. 154 centimeter square is the area of 4 sectors. So from these 4 sectors, area of these 4 sectors, when we subtract this area of these 4 sectors from this square, we will get the shaded region. Therefore, area of shaded region, area of shaded region is equal to, area of shaded region is equal to 196 minus 154. 196 minus 154, that is 42 centimeter square is the area of the shaded region.